Morning guys! Pasok na naman tayo sa work. It is now 8:33 a.m. Kakatapos lang namin mag-ready ni Sumit. And maaraw today, as you can see sa bintana namin. Ayan.
Good morning, guys.
Ready
Doing
siya.
my hairstyle. There is no hairstyle. It's just anyhow. That's what I do.
Pinapatayo niya lang yung hair niya. Dadala ko ng laptop sa work para makapag-edit ako. Wait lang. Yan, ready na yung bag for work. For baon today, meron na naman tayong strawberry grapes and banana
Yeah.
smoothie.
Did you take the multivitamin?
Yes, I did. Jacket na lang. Lapit na tayo sa work, guys. Dito na ako sa work, guys. It is now 9:05 a.m. As usual, maaga na naman tayo. Ayun. Okay naman yung tulog ko, pero nagising ako kanina ng mga alas 3 ng madaling araw. Tapos guys, litong-lito ako. Kung ilang weeks na ba si baby. Kasi nga, akala ko yung pagbibilang ng tawag dito, ng weeks is, or ng days is based doon sa kung kailan nag-fertilize yung egg. Eh, di ba nga sa IVF kasi, alam mo yung specific days, kung day 1, day 2 na nung embryo mo, ganyan-ganyan. So, ang bilang ko is based doon sa araw kung kailan nila in-inseminate yung aking egg. So, nung naka-receive ako ng tawag galing sa clinic ko, tapos sinabi nila na, sa ganitong, tawag dito, sa ganitong araw, 7 weeks ka na, sabi ganyan sa akin. Tapos, nung after na ng phone call, di-check ako ng kalendaryo. Yung aming kapitbahay, andito na. Nitingnan ako ng aming kapitbahay, nahiya ako bigla. So, ayun, edi check ako ng kalendaryo. Sabi ko, bakit 7 weeks? Tapos, sinerch ko sa Google kung paano ba ang counting ng days or weeks pag IVF ka. Sabi nila, kapag nag-embryo, sa day na nag-embryo transfer ka, 2 weeks and 5 days preggy ka na. Ganun pala yun. Akala ko sa araw ng transfer is day 5 ako. So, ganun yung bilang ko. So, based doon sa ganung calculation, tapos gumagamit din pala ako ngayon ng pregnancy tracker na app. So, ang gamit ko talaga dati is yung Flow app. Ito siya. Pero kasi ang dami niyang tawag dito, kailangan mo magbayad kung gusto mo ng parang full details tungkol sa pregnancy mo. Ito na daw si... Ay, wait lang. So, ayan na daw si baby. Ganyan daw itsura ni baby ngayon. So, ayun. Meron akong nahanap na isa pang pregnancy tracker. Ang pangalan niya is Pregnancy Plus. Tapos, meron siyang 3D video ni baby. Ito daw si baby ngayon. Ayan. mas bet ko tong si pregnancy tracker. Ayan, so based sa tracker ko is 6 weeks. 6 weeks pregnant na ako, guys. Hindi ako makapaniwala na 6 weeks pregnant na ako. So, hintayin ko pa rin yung aking ultrasound para lang sigurado lahat. Kasi litong-lito ako since first time ko nga, wala akong idea. Tapos first time na IVF ko din. Meron pa tayong 2 weeks. 2 weeks pa ba? Oo, guys. Mga kulang-kulang 2 weeks bago yung aking ultrasound. Tapos doon na natin malalaman yung eksaktong araw at saka yung eksaktong araw ni baby. Ayun, I'm so excited para sa aking ultrasound. Tinitingnan ko yung kapitbahay namin. Itong kapitbahay namin kasing to, ngiti ng ngiti, pero pag kinausap mo, hindi kasi sila marunong mag-English, mga Latino kasi. Barbershop yung kapitbahay namin. Hindi sila marunong mag-English, so ang ganap is lagi lang kami nagngingitian. And ayun guys, pagising ko kanina, nagtimbang ako. Nagulat ako, bumalik na naman ako sa original weight ko bago ako nag-start ng IVF. So bumaba ng 1 kilo yung timbang ko. Tapos pagising ko, ang liit. Mas maliit na yung tiyan ko, hindi na siya ganun ka-bloated. Ang saya-saya ko. Actually ngayon, hindi ganun katigas yung tiyan ko. So I think nagiging hiyang na yung katawan ko sa gamot na tinitake ko. Hindi na ako ganun ka-bloated. Pero kasi 3 araw kaming hindi naggulay, puro karne. I mean, yung kinain namin, meron namang mushroom and carrots. Pero yung katawan ko kasi naghahanap siya ng gulay. Nasanay ako dun sa mas maraming gulay kaysa sa karne. Kaya parang hirap ako mag-jabs kayo ng umaga. Pero, masaya ako na flat yung tiyan ko. Tapos bumaba yung timbang ko. Wala pa rin naman akong nararamdamang hilo or pagsusuka. Very mild lang. Parang kanina nung kararating ko, medyo nahihilo ako na parang nasusuka. Pero very, very mild lang. So, yun lang yung update ngayon na 6 weeks pregnant na ako. Based dito sa tracker ko is today ako nag 6 weeks. Ayun, so mag-edit lang muna tayo ng videos. Tapos, ganoon na naman ang ganap. Mag-start na naman tayo sa trabaho. Sorry. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys.
You guys, we are already home. We always vlog in the car,
Alexa, turn on the lights.
but today we didn't.
Yeah.
I said we always vlog in the car,
Yeah.
but today we did not. Let's make wings and fly.
Wala kaming pagkain kasi hindi kami nagluto. I mean, naubos na yung niluto namin ng weekend. So now we have to make our food before we can eat.
That's fine. It's gonna be fast.
Ay, nabuksan. Ayan, ayan. Kaya talaga mas okay yung nagluluto ng maramihan sa weekend para pag-uwi diretso kain na lang kasi nakapagod din sa trabaho. Kanina busy na naman kami. Ayan, so for dinner / lunch, meron kami ditong chicken wings. Gagawa ulit kami nung garlic parmesan na chicken wings. Tapos nagluto na ng kanin si Sumit kayo ng umaga. So hindi na namin kailangan magluto ng kanin. Ulam na lang. Okay. Do you want cornstarch here or just as it is? I usually
Just like that. Hmm? here, blend it, then wash again, then blend it.
So guys, meron din kami ditong spinach. Maraming spinach. Gagawa kami ng palak paneer.
Oh yeah. We are already making the paneer.
Nagawa lang siya ng paneer. Yung ugasan lang namin yung spinach tapos i-blend daw.
Yeah, and then we'll cook it. You can also add these. No, no need. Mm-hmm. Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah, you can press it.
First batch, guys. Nilagyan din sa meat ng garlic, ginger.
Onion. It's gonna be good.
So, pag nagluluto ka ng palak paneer, kailangan mo ng sobrang daming spinach. Ayan, second batch. Because once this one is cooked, it becomes really, really, really small. No?
Yeah. It's gonna become very small.
Ooh, something healthy again.
All healthy food all the time.
Now.
Now, yeah. Last time we even eat chips and all, but now we don't.
Yeah guys, it's been a long time. Can't remember when was the last time.
We ate Lay's. You remember?
When?
3 months ago.
Ayan, and then here, pinapainit lang yung mantika. Ang daming kalat dito sa Gedli. Hindi pa naitapon. Tapos ito yung gatas, pinapainit din para sa paneer. Guys, ito na yung nagawa naming spinach. Ayan, ganyan karami. So ngayon, lulutuin na namin siya. Blend lang namin yan na may tubig. Tapos yung first batch, merong garlic, ginger, and onion. Tatlong ano na yung meron dito sa aming, sa aming stove.
Easy kitchen.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So yung mantika, kasi nagluto kami ng pakora ng ano, diba? So ginamit lang namin siya. Pero usually binibake namin yung chicken wings. Pero since meron kaming used oil, kaya nagprito kami ngayon. Tapos wala nang seasoning dito. Diretsong ano lang yan, plain na manok, prinito. Tapos gagawa na lang kami ng yung pang ano ba, toast mamaya.
You can coat them also. Flour or something, but for me, I don't know.
Tapos na yung first batch, guys. So, 2 more to go. Medyo mabagal na magluto yung aming stove kasi hindi siya apoy talaga. Ayoko yung ganitong may coil eh. Yung aming stove kasi may coil siya. So, hindi mo makontrol yung temperature. Kapag sobrang init na siya, automatic siyang nagko-cool down. Right? It cools down automatically. I think it's safe for safety here in Canada.
Yeah, something like that. But I don't like it.
I don't like to. Gusto ko yung live fire. Ang tagal. Ang tagal magprito. Ang tagal magluto. Kung anong gusto mo lutuin, sobrang tagal. So, ayan. First batch. 2 more to go. Again, wala pang seasoning yan. Ilalagay na lang ni Sumit yung mga seasoning later.
Do all together.
Ayan, black pepper, garlic salt. Tapos parsley. Tapos yung parmesan cheese. Yung kanin namin. Kaya ng umaga pa to luto. Tapos, ito na yung spinach. Umiinit na rin siya. Ano lang yan? Tubig lang. So, parang pinakulo ang spinach lang. Tapos, ito yung aming gatas. Malapit na rin kumulo. Lalagyan to ng vinegar soon para maging cottage cheese or paneer. Lalagyan na ng vinegar, guys.
Yeah. Here.
Sige.
More. Yep.
Ayun na guys, so namumuo-muo na siya. More?
Little more.
Dapat kasi transparent yung water niya. Pag medyo maputi pa, ibig sabihin may gatas pa siya. I mean, may taba pa. Hindi siya medyo nagiging nawala na ng kulay yung tubig niya. Medyo konti pa. Ayan na guys, humihiwalay na yung tubig. Nagiging parang tubig na lang siya. Medyo madilaw na tubig. Tapos, yung buo-buo, yan na yung ating cheese. Tapos, kukuha lang tayo ng cheesecloth. So, i-drain na namin yung paneer. Nalinis ko na yung lababo. Ayan. Andito na rin yung aming cheesecloth. Nalalahan na ito na isang araw kasi di ba gumawa rin kami ng paneer pakora. Galing pang India itong aming cheese club. So, ayan. Dapat may isang tagahawak. Mainit ako.
Single or double? I think double.
Okay. Nakita nyo guys? So, kailangan mo ng pinggan sa ilalim kasi papatong mo siya. Tapos, yung pinagpakuluan ng gatas, pupunuin mo yan ng tubig para mapipi siya, magpa-flatten. Yeah.
So it becomes solid.
Ano siya, guys? So, one item from the menu is done. 2 more to go. So, ganyan na siya, guys. Meron na siyang pabigat sa kanyang ibabaw. Yung tubig niya, madidrain siya. Tapos, magiging firm na cheese na siya. Okay, guys.
I don't know what happened here.
May buhok.
Look at
May
this.
feather pa siya.
Oh no. I'll just remove the whole. Okay.
Ayan na, lagyan na ng parmesan cheese.
Little heat.
Salt Bay. How do like this?
Yeah. If I do that, everything will go in my jacket.
Oh yeah. I smell the Tabasco.
That's gonna be good.
My God, guys, I'm hungry na. 4:27 na, guys.
Not
Umalis ako ng
We finished
trabaho
so
3
many
p.m. We arrived here at like what? Almost 3:30. So like in an hour, we were able to make paneer,
Yeah. So
chicken
many
wings, and then the spinach is still cooking. Yum.
Done.
Kain na, guys. Prinitong chicken wings this time. Usually it's baked. Oh, di ba? Ganyan. Straight away sa mixing bowl kakakain. Straight from the mixing bowl. So guys, titikman natin kung mas masarap ba ang prinitong chicken wings kesa sa bili. Of course, iba talaga pag prinito. Do you want some ketchup?
No.
Yung ketchup. Kasi may sugar to eh. Tapos tomato base. Eh, bawal siya. Wow, I'm gonna take this one.
Right.
Parsley. Yep. Yeah. Ang sarap. Sumit. It's
I
really
know.
good. Come.
I know.
Iba talaga pag prinito kasi. Because it's fried, right? It's better than the bacon.
I mean, health-wise, no,
Yeah.
but taste-wise, yes.
Ang harap.
Good, right?
Good job.
I know it's good.
Harap. Isang batcha ng chicken wings. How much was the chicken wings?
$10.
$10, guys. Ang dami.
1 kilo.
How much was the chicken wings from Popeyes?
$20.
Wow.
Just for a few
Few
pieces.
pieces lang yun.
8 pieces. No. Yeah, 16
16
pieces.
in total. But this one is like a lot.
Mm.
So guys, alam niyo na. Marry a chef. Laki
Huh?
ng tipid niyo sa gastos. It's really good.
This is the saltiness you want, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Lahat ng cravings ko, ginagawa lang namin sa bahay. Yan, gagastos sa restaurant. So good. Sauce. Wala kasi siyang sauce eh.
Relish.
Good.
Product of India. How come?
How come? Oh yeah, part of India.
Relish.
Do you have that in India?
Not really. How?
Sarap!
Good, right?
So good.
I told you. It's gonna be good.
Right? Kain. Guys.
Oh. So
So
satisfied.
Yeah.
So satisfied with the food. And now we are digesting it.
Yeah.
For at least 30 minutes. We'll be outside.
We're just walking around our neighborhood, guys. So, ganito yung itsura ng mga bahay dito kapag nasa likod ka. Dito yung usually garage parking. And dito yung mga spider web. Sa harap hindi mo makikita.
They also have some laneway houses.
Yeah, like this one, right? Parang ganito.
Yeah, something like that. Laneway houses.
Laneway house ang tawag dyan. Yung parang garage na ginawang bahay.
This one.
This one is laneway house. In front of us. Eto guys. Eto yung laneway house. Sa likod siya nakatayo. Usually garage yan. Tapos pinapaganda lang, pinapalaki. Tapos ito yung front house talaga. Ganyan. Oh eh, so beautiful. Ang ganda. Dito sa area namin, marami kayong makikitang puno na may bulaklak. Napakaganda. Yeah, beautiful. Ang ganda, no? Ay, this house is looks so good, oh. Ang ganda. Meron kaming nakita open field, guys. Sa opposite side to eh. Hindi kami masyadong napupunta dito.
This is our first time here, right?
Yeah, tanaw mo rin yung mountain dyan. Tapos, sobrang ganda ng neighborhood dito. Bet na bet ko siya. Parang parang ka nasa Poland. Parang Europe. Very light lang naman. Medyo sumasakit yung aking likod. Ang ganda. May playground din sila dyan. I think, is this school? Parang school siya.
I think so, yeah.
Let's go check the tree. This tree.
You're not allowed.
You are not allowed.
Yeah.
Pang school access lang daw eh. I just wanna see this. This is gonna be where you're gonna be going soon. Yeah, every afternoon you're gonna see us in the playground na guys. Soon. Nice.
So nice.
Yeah. Yeah guys, a labo.
So
I think even this side will have flowers. I think even this tree right here.
yeah.
Parang magkamukha sila eh.
Yeah, we should come maybe next week.
Yeah. Ganda ng mga puno. Another nice view.
We're almost home.
Guys, ito na yung palak paneer.
Paneer turned out to be really, really good. Soft. Because it's fresh, right?
Yeah, where's the paneer? Show it. Yan na guys yung paneer.
Ooh. It's gonna be good.
Yan na yung spinach kanina na blended namin. It was like up to here just now, right?
Oh yeah.
So nag-reduce
It's gonna
na
go
siya.
down more. It's slow cook, right? Look at this minimum. Slow cook.
Number 1.
I added some spices, little bit of butter. It's gonna be super good. See, we ate little unhealthy today, but tomorrow super
Yeah.
healthy. Just to balance out.
More, and I want more veggies pa next week, guys.
Yeah, this week we ate a lot of meat.
4 days na puro meat. Sabi ko, ayoko na. Gusto ko ng
We ate the
veggies.
what did we eat? We ate
Ribs,
ribs,
meatballs, 2 days.
meatballs. That's beef. Then today wings.
Chicken wings.
Yeah, too much meat.
Yeah.
No.
Yun guys. So, rest na kami. Nanood na ako ng The Lincoln Lawyer. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night.